Okay, this is the configuration it's going to be for the rest of the evening. I mean, technically speaking, it was dusk 10 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago. Still blue skies, but you know, officially it was dusk. I think I'd be on top of a hill. Dawn and dusk are optional. Anyway, this is the new configuration. So, this end, perfect coverage. Other end, not quite as good. So I've dropped this side down, tied onto some rocks, and it's not brilliant at this end. It's alright. If I were that bothered, I'd lower down that the power cord, the main one that's holding it up. If I were to drop that down at the other end by 18 inches, I still have plenty of head coverage, but it would drop this down 2 feet by dropping it down 18 inches at the other end because of the way the ballast works on it. But it's going to have to be a hell of a crosswind from a very specific direction for the rain to get in this end. I'd rather have a bit of breeze. So, wind is coming from that side for some reason. But yeah, that's the configuration. At least now you can see, if someone ever watches this video, what I mean about dropping down the side. It was literally a case of untie that end. It required my 2 remaining teeth, that I've got on top, is that a squirrel? To hold it, to get a little bit of slack so I could undo the bowline. So that one's tied on to that rock, that's tied off to that rock, so that side's down. Hell of a gap on that side, but I'd rather have a gap and have it pulled up slightly, tied to those branches, because that way it's not as pounding against me, because before it was in direct contact constantly. Now it's only slightly. There's nothing else to tie it to other than holly trees because of the severe drop, and it is a severe drop down there. It's a sheer drop into holly trees. There's nothing to tie it to without going on a major macheting expedition. But yeah, this should be hopefully okay. And if it does start to piss down too much, I'll just sleep at the other end.